Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Camo camera to your PC using a USB cable. First, open the Microsoft Store and search for Camo Studio. After that, install it, then open the app and complete the setup. Make sure you also install the compatibility add-on when prompted. Once that's done, you will see your default webcam already selected in Camo Studio. Now let's connect to an iPhone or Android device using a USB cable. For iPhone, go to Settings inside Camo Studio and open the add-on section. Then install Apple device support. After that, open the Camo camera app on your iPhone and set it up. Then connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable, tap Trust on your iPhone and enter your passcode. After that, go back to Camo Studio and you will see your iPhone listed under devices. Now select it and your iPhone will be connected. For Android, open the Settings app and go to About Phone. Then tap on Build Number 7 times to enable developer options. After that, open developer option and turn it on. Then enable USB debugging and tap Revoke. Now connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable and allow it. After that, it should show up as connected in Camo Studio. That's all for this video, so I will see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.